SMARTair TS1000 Web. Access control made simpler, faster, and more flexible. Why simpler? Imagine a building with several management points. You install access control software and a database on the server, and then client software on each dedicated PC too. Later, when maintenance or updates are needed, you must do the same again at every PC, one by one. It takes a lot of effort and too much time. The bigger the installation, the greater the effort. For multi-site organizations with buildings spread across a city, this task quickly gets more expensive and time-consuming. There is a better way. TS1000 Web. With TS1000 Web, getting started is quick and simple. You install the software and database just once, on the server. The rest of your management points now use a web browser to manage access, which means no local software packages to install and no laborious PC by PC maintenance. With TS1000 Web, you save time, money, and headaches. Why faster? With traditional client-based installation, actions like opening a matrix to update access rights can take some time, especially if the database is large. However, with TS1000 Web, you do this in a fraction of the time. For multi-sites, time savings quickly add up. Why more flexible? Client-server solutions tie security managers to their office. They can't leave the premises or even their desk. This restricts their flexibility, mobility, and efficiency. TS1000 Web keeps you in full control anywhere, anytime. All you need is a device with a web browser. With TS1000 Web, you can cancel any credential anytime, update access rights over the air, unlock any opening remotely, start global lockdown with a click, view audit trail in real time, set or respond to alerts instantly, and much more. SMARTair TS1000 Web is the simple, fast, flexible solution that streamlines access management and frees security staff from their desks.